Yeah.
It is about my favorites.
Alright.
Okay, very good. So for this lesson, so we will talk about your favorites. So do you have a favorite toy that?
Yes.
Yes. What is your favorite toy? What's your favorite toy?
I
Is your favorite toy robot, truck, or cars?
Dinosaur.
Favorite toy is?
Dinosaur.
What is that? What toy is that?
Dinosaur.
Can you spell the word? My favorite toy is?
Dinosaur.
Can you like speak more louder or louder? Because teacher cannot somehow hear you or hear your voice. Is it okay? So teacher cannot hear you clearly. That is why I cannot get what is your favorite toy. Or
My
can you like type? Can you type the word? Can you write the word?
yes.
Okay, can you write? Can you write the word in the screen here?
Yeah.
Can you can you write? Okay, so teacher will wait for your favorite toy. Can you type? Type or write? Write the word. Or can you write or no? You cannot write?
Yes.
Oh, you can write. Okay, sure. Write the word so that we can discuss about it. So, hello there. Hello, Fong. Nice to see you again. Oh, robot. Okay, thank you so much, Dad. So your favorite toy is robots. Okay, so teacher now understand. Thank you so much. Hello, Fong. Nice to see you again. So my name again is Teacher Iris. So I will be your teacher for today's lesson. So how are you, Fong?
Cool.
You're good. That's very good to know. And for this one, since our lesson is all about my favorites, so these are the things that we like. So teacher has a question here, Fang. What is your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is a toy car.
Toy car. Wow, that's very good to know. So thank you very much. So thank you very much for that and Fong for expressing your favorite. So now let's proceed with our next page so that we can start our lesson. So for our lesson here, we have my favorite toy. So that is why teacher asked you the question about what is your favorite toy. So we will have a warm up here. So we will write is, are, and has. So before we complete this story, so let's first discuss how can we use is, are, and has in a sentence so that the both of you can be able to answer our sentence or complete our story accurately. So for this one, let's go first with is. So is. So is and are. So let's first go first with is and are. So when we say is and are, so these are forms of be verb. Be verb. When we say be verb, so we are talking about who or what someone is. So we use is when we talk about one thing. We talk about one thing or person. For example, For example, my teddy bear is very soft. So our main subject here is teddy bear. So teacher has a question for you, Fong. Is the teddy bear only one or are there two teddy bears in this sentence? How many teddy bear in this sentence? Oh, okay, let's. How many teddy bear?
One teddy bear.
Perfect, very good. We only have one teddy bear. So we will use is. So my teddy bear. But if our sentence is this one, my teddy bears. So we will use here the be verb are because we have two or more. We have two or more thing, two or more things or people. That is why we will use are. My teddy bears. Teddy bears is the teddy bear word has now an S. So when we add S, so it means we will make it plural form. So when we say plural, there are two or more. So my teddy bears are very soft. So that is the use of is and are. However, on the other hand, let's go with this has. So when we use this word, so it is a form. Has is a form of verb to have. When we say to have, it is what someone owns or what we have. For example, she has she has white toy. She has white toy. So for this one, the girl which is she has a white toy. So this is something she owns. So we will use has. Has. Okay, so that is for the use. Now let's answer our sentence here. So let's have a that for this sentence. Can you read and answer if it's is, if we will use is, are, or has?
I
Ayan.
have a teddy bear. It's my favorite. It's my favorite too.
What is your answer? Is, are, or has?
Is
Is very good. So that is because we only have here teddy bear. So it is only one. But if we use teddy bears, we will use are. So very good. So next, this one. Let's go with this. Let's read and answer this one, Fong.
um it it is brown hair.
Are you
Is
sure? Are you sure it
it
is
it
is?
has it has brown hair. It
Very
has lovely eyes.
Okay, very good. So we will use has here because we are describing what the teddy bear has. The teddy bear, it has brown hair and it also has a lovely eyes. So we are simply describing about what is the teddy bear owns or what it has. And it has a Fong, it has a
Is it has a cute nose.
okay, perfect. Very good. So next one, let's have a that for this last sentence.
Um, it has small.
It is
Uh,
what is your answer? It is, are, or has.
it's small.
is small?
Yes.
Are you sure? So we have here hands. So when we say hands, it is not only one hand. It is two hands. And when we say feet, feet is two. Foot is one. So what we will use? It is or are.
Small. Small
Very good. And it is always.
is always happy.
Okay, very good. So for this one, we will use are because we have here hands and feet. So both are plural form. So whereas when we say plural, we are talking about two or more things. That is why we are using are. But when we change the sentence, so it's hand and foot. Foot. So hand and foot. So we are talking about only one hand and one foot. So we will use this is in this sentence. Its hand and foot is small. So very good to the both of you. So next one. So let's have a questions here. So you will answer yes or no. Let's go with Fong for number one.
Oh,
Is Ella's number one.
yes.
Yes, very good. Is Ella's teddy bear soft? Yes, it is. Okay. So next that. Let's go with number two. Can you read first and then answer if it's yes or no? Does that? Okay, let's read number two.
So,
Does what? Can you read first? Does Ella's?
does Ella's teddy bear have a hair?
Okay, is it a yes or no that?
No.
No. And what is the color of Ella's teddy bear? Or Ella's teddy bear? What is the color of its hair? That. What is the color? Okay, let's go back with this. What is the color of the hair of the teddy bear, Dad?
Brown hair.
Perfect, very good. So it's brown, not black. So perfect, very good. So number three for Fong.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's read first the sentence. Is Ella's?
Is Ella is Ella's teddy bear always happy?
Yes. So very good. So the answer is yes. So yes, it is always happy. So good job. So now let's have our words here. So let's first, can you read the first word of that? This one. What is this in the picture? What do we call this one, Dad?
Is straw.
It's a door. Very good. It's a door. So when we say, yes, when we say door, it is in this picture. A door is something that we open and close to go in and out. For example, this sentence, we go we open the door to go inside our house. So that is a door. So very good. So number two, what is our second? What is this in the picture, Fong?
It's feet.
Feet. Very good. Do you know what is what? do we call if we only have one of this body part? Is it, can we call it feet also if we only have one?
Fits.
Feet? What do we call it if we only have one? We call it as foot. Okay. So when we say feet, so these are feet. There are 2 feet. But when we say foot, so we are talking about only one foot, 2 feet. Okay, that is a feet. So it is something. So these are the part of our body that we use to walk. For example, I walk with my feet. Okay, so that is our feet. So next one, that the third picture. What do we call this?
Head.
It's a
Head.
head. Very good. It's a head. So can you tell teacher that where is your head? Or can you point? Where is your head? Where is your head, that? Can you point? Where is your head? Yes, very good. So that is your head. So this is our head. So it is the top part of our body. So where we can see our hair, our eyes, our brows, our nose, mouth, and ears. So this is our head. Okay. So next. Okay, what do we call this one, Fong, in the car? What do we call this?
It is
It
wheel.
is a wheel. Very good. So when we say wheel, it is the round thing that we can see in the cars, or on the cars, whereas it helps the cars to move. So for example, the car has 4 wheels. So the car. How about the bike, or a bike, Fong? How many wheels that a bike has or have?
It has 2 wheels.
2 wheels. Very good. The bike has 2 wheels. How about that? How about a truck? A truck. How many wheels does a truck has?
Two.
How many?
Two.
2? Truck only has 2? The truck? Okay, so when we say truck, this one,
No.
how many wheels? So it has, a truck has a lot of wheels. So in general, so most trucks, so they have like uh, how many wheels? They have 4 wheels. Also, they have four wheels. So most truck they have 4 wheels. So but the big trucks they usually have a lot of wheels, or six or more wheels, like this one. So teacher will have a picture here of another truck. So this this is another truck. So this kind of truck, so it has 6 wheels. So we have two and one in front, two at the back and one in front, and another one in front of this one and at the back. So it has 6 wheels in total. Okay, so that is a truck. So it has 6 wheels. Okay. So next, let's go with our next word. What do we call this color? Adan. It
Head.
is called. It is color.
Is green.
It is green. Very good. Dad, what is the color of the tree? It is color green. Very good. How about what is the color of leaves? What are the color of the leaves? What is the color of the leaf
red,
or leaf? Green. Very good. So this is color green. So most things like grass, leaves, trees, so they are color green. So most of the things that we can see in the nature, they are color green. So that is for this color. So next one, we have here another word. So what is this fong? It,
Is
it's a
pendulum.
ped. Okay, one more time. Let's say pedal.
Pendulum.
Pedal.
Pen.
Okay, very good. Okay, so do you think what kind of thing or what kind of vehicle that we can see a pedal? We can see it in w-
Bike.
bike. Very good. So we can see pedal in a bike because pedal is what we use. What we use to move the bike. So we like turn around. So our feet, so it do like this. So turn around for the bike to move. So we will push it with our foot or feet. So that is a pedal. So that is one of the part of the bicycle that it is used to make the bike move. Okay. So next one, let's learn another word. So what do we call this part of the bike?
seat,
Seat. Very good. This is a seat. So when we say seat, it is where we sit in a bicycle. When we ride a bicycle, so this is where we sit. So we call it seat. So it is a place where we sit. So next one, what do we call this a font? This red
A
thing.
button.
Perfect. Very good. This is a button. And when we say button, so can you see do you have a remote for your TV? Fong? The
Yes.
yes, okay, so very good. So as we can see in the remote of the television, so we have a lot of buttons there. So I don't have a remote. I don't have any. Okay, I don't have any remote here, but I have here a calculator. So when we say buttons, so the buttons here are those what we click for a thing to be or to function like a remote to the TV. So we use the remote, we press the buttons on the remote so that we can control the television. So that is the use of a button. So next one, let's have another word here. What do we call this thing that? This is that.
yes,
This is a
camera,
camera. Very good. One more time. Let's say camera. Let's say camera. Okay, so this is a camera. Dad, do you have a camera?
I
Dad,
have zero camera,
you have?
zero,
You have no camera? How about in your, what is the one you are using right now? What do you use right now? What device? Do you use a phone?
I a phone.
Yes. So as we can see in a phone, so we have cameras on our phone. So we use those for us to capture pictures. So this is one of example of camera in the phone. But for this one, so this is a traditional camera. So this is what we use traditionally to take pictures. So this is camera. So next one, let's go with Fong. So what do we call this? This shape.
Um, right.
It's
So she
okay, one more time. Let's say rectangular.
rectangular.
Perfect, very good. So this shape, it is rectangular. So when we say rectangular, so it is a shape with four sides. One, two, three, four. And it has a four corner. So that is rectangular like this. It is rectangular. So that is the shape of rectangular. So next that, this one. What do we call this part of the phone?
Carry
Okay, very good. Let's say screen. Okay, perfect. So when we say screen, so this is the part of our phone that we can see pictures or words. So this is where we can see things in our phone, in our computer, or television. So television, it has a big screen. For computer, it has a monitor. We call the uh, part of the monitor a screen. So this one, this phone, so this is its screen. So that is where we see all of the things in our phone. Okay. So next one, so let's practice this word. So let's use these words to make a sentence here. So let's go with Fong. Let's go with number one. So what do we call these toys? So let's use the words in the word bank here. What do we call these toys?
Um, it, this is a robot.
Okay, very good. This is a robot. Good job. And let's take a look at letter A. So letter A is this one. So what is this? It
It
has.
has a small head.
Okay, perfect. That is the head of the robot. So now let's go with letter B. So what do we call this part of the car?
It has car door.
Okay, very good. So that is the door or doors of the car. So next, letter C. So what do we call this? This part of the car.
It has four wheels.
Perfect. So it has four wheels. And next, so letter D. Letter D. What do we call this part of the body of the robot?
It has two two foot
Two.
and 2 feet.
Okay, very good. It has 2 feet. So good job. So next that, let's go with the second picture or uh second object. What do we call this one? This is
it is phone.
this is
What?
what is this one? This is
Phone.
this yes, this is a phone, but we call it a cell phone. Okay, so very good. So next, let's go to letter A. So what do we call this? Or what
a
do we call what do we call the shape? What do we call the shape of the cell phone?
cell.
It is?
It is a cell.
It is? Can you speak more louder?
It is a cell phone.
It is a cell phone, yes. So letter A, let's go with letter A. So what do we call with the shape of the cell phone? What is the
Cell
shape?
phone.
It is?
It is a cell phone.
Yes, it is a cell phone. And what do we call the shape of the cell phone? Let's have here the choices. These are the choices for the cell phone. What do we call the shape? What is this shape? It's rectangle or rectangular. What will be? It is rectangular. Okay, one more time. Let's say, what is the shape of the phone? It is rectangular.
Car.
Okay, very good. So next, so let's go with letter B. So what do we call this part of the cell phone? What do we call it? What do we call the part of the cell phone? This one, what is this part of the cell phone? Or in this one? It has it
Has
is
a camera.
very good. It has a camera lens. So next, letter C. What do we call this part of the cell phone? So we have the rectangular camera. What is it? It has a
Very,
what is your answer? Can you read the sentence?
very
It has a big
big
big s-
screen.
okay, very good. It has a big screen. So for letter D, what do we call this part? It has
Have a
many.
many buttons.
Okay, very good. So good job. So it has many buttons. So next, let's go with Fong. So Fong, what do we call this object? Number 3.
This is a bag.
Okay, good job. This is a bag. Next, that. Okay, let's take a look at letter A. So A, what is the color of the bike that? That? What is the
Yes,
color of the bike? What's the
this
color of the bike? It is green. Very good. So it is green. So next, Fong again. So let's check letter B. What do we call this part of the bike?
It has a black seat.
Perfect. Very good. It has a black seat. So next. Oh, okay. So we have the answer letter C for that. For letter C, let's take a look at this one. This part of the bike. What do we call that one? Two.
pedal.
Okay, one more time. Let's say pedals.
Now,
Very good. So it has two pedals or what we use to for the bike to move. So next, last letter for fa. What do we call this?
It has more wheels.
Okay, very good. So it has small wheels. So that is the use of this word. So good job to the both of you for answering this activity. So now let's have another activity here. So we will answer. Oh, wait, the answer is there. So we will have the answers. Okay, let me just did that one. Okay, just one moment because you can see the answers. Okay, so for this one, we will have is, are, have, or has. So just one moment. So teacher will just edit the. Okay, just one moment. Okay, so let's go back and answer this one. Let me just share my screen again. Ching. Okay, so now for this one, so we will answer is, are, has, or have. So when we say is, we are only talking about one thing. For are, we are talking about two or more. For have, we are talking about many things that someone owns. For has, we are talking about one thing that someone owns. So now, let's go with number one for that. Number one. Uh, let's read and answer. The boys.
I have soccer balls
What's your answer?
and
Have or as?
has.
Are you sure?
Yes,
Okay, let's take a look first with soccer balls. Are the soccer balls only one or many?
two.
Two. So there are two or more soccer balls. So for this one, shall we use has or have? When we say have, we are talking about many things that someone owns. But for has, we only have one.
Have
What will be the answer? It is the boys have, yes, have
soccer.
soccer. Okay, perfect. So we will answer have. How about in this one?
The they are black and white.
Okay, very good. So our answer here, the boys have soccer balls and they are black and white. So good job. So next Pong, let's go with number two. Pong, are you still there, Pong? Okay. Okay, let's read and answer. Number two.
The girl has long hair.
Okay. Then,
It 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 is
it.
it is brown.
Okay, very good. So we will use has because we only are talking about long hair. So we are talking about one thing. But if we add hairs, so that is the moment that we will use have. Okay, so for this one, since we are talking about only one, so we will use is. It is brown. So perfect. Good job. So next, number three again for that.
Yes,
Okay, let's answer this one. The puppy.
very good.
Okay, what is your answer? Is it is, are, have, or has? Is. Very good. Next. It.
Have a egg.
What is your answer? It has or it have? What's your answer?
Have.
Have or has?
Have.
Have. Okay, let's check if your answer is correct. So the puppy is very cute. So next. Okay, so for this one, the answer here is has. Because as we can see, we are talking about the puppy here. So the puppy, how many is the puppy? So we have only one puppy. So that is why, even though we use short legs, but in this one, our subject is a puppy or the puppy, only one puppy. So we will use has. It has short legs. Okay. So there is another trick or clue for the usage of this word. So for this one. So we use is for one thing or person, for are many things or people. For has, we use it for the subject he, she, and it. And for have, we use it for subjects I, you, we, and they. So take note of this one because it will be useful in the future if you do have some activity for this or for this example. Okay, so for this one, let's move on to number 4. Number 4, that Fong.
This a new pie.
Okay, very good. R. Next,
They mm,
is it
they
is, are, haves, or have?
they they are Mary and Sarah.
Okay, very good. So for this sentence, we will both use are because for this one, we are talking about new bikes. So we have 2 bikes here. So we will use are. However, for this sentence, we will use are instead of have or has because we are pertaining that these bikes belongs to Mary and Sarah. So Mary and Sarah are 2 people. So we will use are. So good job. So next one, number 5, the last one for that.
Yeah.
Okay, so take note of the subjects here. So check here if the subject is there. Okay, what will be the answer? We.
Have a big house.
Very good.
It
Next, it.
has
What's your answer? It.
no. It has
Very
no.
good. Very good. So it has many windows. So we will answer here have because we have the subject we. For this one has, it has many windows because the house has
No.
many windows. So good job. So take note of this one because this will be helpful. Okay. So next one. So let's go with another grammar practice. So we have here it's and there. Okay. So for this one, let's answer if it's or if we will use it's or there. So for it's, so it shows something. that belongs to one thing. For example, the dog wagged its tail. For example, the teacher writes in its or the teddy bear. The teddy bear has its eyes closed. So we are only using its for things, not people. So it's for this one. For there, so we use it to people or to show that something belongs to many people or things. For example, the boys are playing with their soccer balls. Okay, so we will usually use it to many people or many things. For this one, we will only use its for things. So let's take a look with number one. Let's practice some of this. So for number one is for Fong. What should we use here? Is it its or their? Look. Okay, let's read first. Look at the
Look at the elephants. Mm, is
is it its or their?
is ears are big.
Are you sure? Okay, so let's take a look with elephants. Is an elephant a one, only one, or there are many elephants?
Many.
Many elephants. And what should we use if there are many? Is it its or their?
Deer.
There, very good. So for this one, look at the elephants. Their ears are big. So we are talking about many elephants here. That is why we will use there. So a nice try. Okay, number two for that.
Yes.
Okay, let's read this one and answer if it's or
Look
there.
at the book. Is proper. Is wrong.
Okay, very good. So as we can see, we have here only one book. So we will use its because we are talking about a book, only book. That is why, so we are describing that it has or its cover is gold or color gold. So next, number three for Fang.
Look at the house. Its roof is white.
Okay, very good. So as we can see, we have here only one house. So we will use its instead of there. But if we change it into houses, or look at the houses, their roofs are red. So it will be a change completely. Okay, so very good. So next for number four, this one, the last one.
Look at the white rabbit. Their eyes are red.
Okay, very good. So we have here a rabbit. So when we say rabbits, it is not only one rabbit, but there are a lot of rabbits. So we will use their. Their eyes are red. So very good. So good job for using the words it's and there. So that is how we can use those. So next. Okay, let's have a writing practice. So we have here sentences that are not in correct order. So we will write it in its correct orders. So let's have Fong for the first one.
My brother has a new toy.
Okay, very good. So my brother has a new toy. So next, number 2 for that. That number 2. Let's
Two.
read.
There are
There are
uh, colorful buttons.
okay, very good. So there are colorful buttons because so we will have first the describing word before the object. So very good. So next one, let's go with the third one. So this is one is for Fong.
Mm, the game player has many games.
Okay, very good. So the game player, so it is the main subject. So has, we have here the verb or or helping verb and many games, which is which what the game player has. So very good. So next one, let's have here a chart. So for this one, we will write a sentence using this chart and we will use is or has. Let's go with the first one. So number 1 is this one for that. Shall we use is for this one or has that?
My toy.
This one, the first one is Nintendo. Nintendo DS. Shall we use is my favorite toy or has my favorite
My
toy?
favorite toy
What is your answer? Is it is or has?
is
Okay, very good. So Nintendo DS is my favorite toy. So that is the answer to number 1. Very good. So next, number 2. Let's have Fong. This will be the number 2. So let's use the subject it.
It
Is
uh,
or has?
it is a game player.
Okay, very good. It is a game player. Good job. Because it is describing that a Nintendo DS is a game player. So next, number 3. For that,
yeah.
shall we use is or has here? Which it it has new, it has new or it is new?
It has new
Are you sure? It has?
uh,
It
new.
it is new, very good. Because we are talking about, or we are just describing that this toy is new. So we are not describing what it owns. So it does not own new. So it is new. So very good. So our answer here, it is new. So number 4 for Fang. So we have here white.
It 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 is white.
Okay, very good. So because we are just describing what is the color of the toy. So it is Right. So next one. So let's have number 5, that.
Car.
Is it is or has? It.
Football. Half.
Okay, it has 2 screens, so very good. So we will use here, it has or has, because we are pertaining to what the toy has. So it has 2 screens. So very good. So good job. Next, the last number for Fong.
It has many buttons.
Okay, very good. So like number 5, so we are pertaining to what the toy has. So it has many buttons. So it contains many buttons. So very good. So now let's try to talk about what's your about your favorite toy. So let's write some names in the box. Let's go first with Fong. So let's go first with Fong. So Fong, what is your favorite toy again? Your favorite toy is
My
Ca-
favorite toy is
car.
toy car.
Car. Okay, toy car. Let's put toy car here. So now, can you describe your toy car? So let's use is and has. What is the color of your car?
Um,
Okay, let's first go with this one. Number 1, toy car. What shall we use? Is or has?
has
Toy car? This one, my favorite toy. Is
toy
or has?
is
Uh, okay, so toy car is my favorite toy. So very good. So now, let's go with that. That for example,
the one more than
that Fong's car is color blue. So what shall we use? Is or has?
is
Okay, very good, Fong. It is blue. How about if we use this? What shall we use? Is or has? Or this one, number 3, many doors and toy car. So let's refer to the toy car to it. Or let's go with that. Okay, that. That, what shall we use? It is many doors or it has many doors? That, for the toy car. That,
Yes.
what shall we use? It is many doors or it has many doors? Shall
Has
we
window.
Okay, very good. So it has many doors. So good job. Wow. So that is how you write with this helping verbs is and has. So for this one, since it is already at our time, so teacher just suggests that you do a homework. So you will write a story about your favorite toy. So you will use this chart so that you can be able to describe your favorite toy using is and has. So does your toy has many wheels, or it is new or old? So that is what you will write, okay? So thank you so much to the both of you, Fong and Dad. So you both did a great job for our lesson today, and I can see that your effort, especially with learning this sentence pattern, and especially the helping verbs and be verbs that we use. So for you to be able to familiarize yourself with these verbs or helping verbs that we use or we have learned today, so teacher suggests that you practice making sentence by using is or has and have. Okay, so practice this if you have free time so that you familiarize yourself with the usage of this. Okay, so thank you very much, Fong and Dad. So you both did a great job today. And goodbye. So see you again soon. And bye bye. Thank you.
Teacher.
Thank you so much. Bye bye, Dad. Okay, you can now take your rest both. Thank you. Bye bye.